Hey there, welcome to my channel, Inside the Tech. In this channel, I'm going to tell you about an awesome software for your Mac operating system. And if you are a YouTube creator, then you must need this software. If you create or if you make tutorial-based video, or if you need to record your screen, here is the best software that I have ever discovered. I will not suggest you to install lots of software related on this screen recording. You should only install one software for your work, and this is going to help you defocus on a single thing. So let's not waste our time. Let's talk about a software called ScreenFlow, and I'm already recording here. As you can see, here's the icon, and here is the software icon. So if you want to install the software, you have to go to browser. You can search the name ScreenFlow for Mac. Okay, I'm joining to my iPhone, not connected with the internet. Alright, now I'm connected. So let's go to ScreenFlow. Here it is. Okay, and here you'll be able to find some awesome features. Okay, so it is starting with $129, but still you can get a version of free trial. So this is only for Mac, and this is a pro quality video editing software. At the same time, you can edit your software, edit your video after capturing the video. So this is the best software, and currently I'm using this software. So if you you are recording a tutorial for your viewers, that it could be like tech related videos, it could be like any type of tutorial videos very related to your screen, and maybe you need to record your screen to explain the whole topic. Then you need a screen recorder, right? So for that, ScreenFlow is the best option for you if you want to start your screen recording just like just how professionals do. Is the best option that I can ever suggest you. Thank you so much. So how does it work? Let's talk about it in a small time. So here, as you can see, my ScreenFlow. It is already running in my background. As you can see, here are lots of options. So let's go to recording monitor. Here you can see I'm on 3 minutes and 17 seconds. I can add a marker here. Boom. Wow, it's good. So here, it's really awesome. It's really awesome. And just after recording this video, I am about to edit this video on this software. So you do not need any video recording software. You don't need any video editing software, sorry, video editing software after recording this screen record. So this ScreenFlow is going to edit your video at the same time. So this is the best option for every YouTubers. Even if you are a new YouTuber, if you are thinking about to create some small videos based on some tech tutorials or how to do it, this type of videos like top 5 applications, just like I'm showing the ScreenFlow software for you. So maybe you know about some good softwares, great softwares that many people may haven't heard about it. So for this type of videos, you can use this ScreenFlow. This is the best option I have ever discovered. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel Inside the Tech for watching new special videos. And one thing is very important. I only create video focused on some special things. So I do not want to waste your time. So thank you so much. But yeah, you paid a lot of time on a single video editing software, and I think you're gonna get some good ideas after installing it. Thank you so much.